Hi, Mike Johnson here from Owasco RV Center. Today I'm going to present to you the AQUA Combi system. So this is going to control the temperature, so your furnace within your coach, as well as your hot water. So as you can see, it's lit up. It has the incorrect time on it currently, but if you push the center button, it'll illuminate the back screen. Push it again and you'll see all these different icons light up. So basically what you're looking at is a flashing RV, which is an indication that that's the furnace. So if you want the furnace and you're going to adjust the temperature, so once it's flashing, you would click on that. It's in the off position. So you would just set it to the desired temperature. So in this particular case, set it to like 55 degrees and then select that. You can see it's flashing, and up top there's an icon for the propane, which means that the furnace is going to come on and it's going to be activated by propane. Clicking on that again and selecting furnace, we can just scroll all the way back to 0. It's in the off position, select it, and it says the heater is off. So if you hit your return button, go to the off position again, and move over and select water, then you push the button because the icon is flashing. It's in the off position. So first off, you can do eco, which is warm water. Then you can do hot, so you can see the temperature differences. The eco is 40 degrees. The hot water is 60 degrees. You can select one of those, select hot. Click it again, hit return. From there, when you select that, you can just leave it and it'll flash itself off, or you can go back to the off position, select it. And then when you go over to your mode, you can click on the mode. So you can do electric 1 to run your hot water, which is 750 watts. 2 is 1750 watts. Mix 2 is electric and propane on the system, and mix 1 is electric propane at the lower temperature or the lower wattage. Your fuel source is what that's for, and that's the Combi system.